The Swansea University DBA is a structured professional doctorate in business that offers an architecture and a support for students to undertake doctoral level study at the same time as continuing with their own professional practice. The idea behind the DBA is that we have students coming in who bring their own real life issues, but more than that, they bring their own inquisitive mindset. They bring their own capacity for wanting to research and wanting to understand at a deep level how organisations work, even to the point of actually perhaps questioning the purpose of organisations, why are they here and what are they trying to do. And of course that feeds into big issues around what is the strategic direction of the organisation and so on and so forth. The DBA welcomes people from private sector, public sector, third sector, small and medium-sized enterprises, and therefore we seek to have an eclectic approach to the kind of group that will learn and work together through the programme.